Easyrecipe chicken wings. These are fantastic barbecue chicken wings. What I've done tonight, I've soaked them, marinated them in dill pickle juice, buttermilk, and fresh chopped dill. I've seasoned them up, spiced them up, cooked them up in the air fryer, and then I've added on a hickory smoked sauce infused with butter tonight. Over here, I've got Greek tzatziki sauce. You'll see that Easyrecipe on my channel as well. Give this one a try. Fast food chicken recipes are fantastic, so easy to make, and you're really gonna enjoy them. A special note to moms tonight. If you're looking to impress the kids' friends, they all like chicken wings. Try out different recipes for chicken wings. I've got so many different ones on my channel. These are gonna go over really well. Kids are gonna love them, you're gonna love them, everyone's gonna love them. Give these a try. I'm gonna give them a try. They're gonna be super hot. I gotta get ready. This one. Oh, it's still so darn hot. Nickname this the push and pull. Take the flat, you push it, you can dip it if you want, and then you pull it. Oh! Boom! These are so freaking good. Wow. I'm gonna show you again the push and pull. Take your flat, grip it, push it, dip it, pull it. These are really freaking good. Oh my gosh. Wow.